In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade Google Drive. If you've run out of space in Google Drive, Gmail, or Google Photos, the upgrade you're looking for actually happens through Google One, which is Google's official paid storage plan. The process is quick, and I'll walk you through it so you know exactly what to expect. On a computer, open your browser and go to one.google.com. Sign in to the same Google account that you use for Drive, Gmail, and Photos. It's important to double check you're in the right account, especially if you switch between personal and work profiles, because the storage upgrade applies only to the account that's signed in. Once you're in, look for the button that says Upgrade or Change Membership Plan. Depending on whether you've used Google One before, the wording may vary slightly, but both options take you to the same place. You'll see several storage choices such as 100 gigabytes, 200 gigabytes, and 2 terabytes. Pick the amount that matches your needs. If you mostly store documents and a moderate number of photos, 100 gigabytes can go a long way. If you back up large photo libraries or videos, a higher tier like 2 terabytes is often the most comfortable option. After you choose your plan, click Next and then Subscribe. Add your payment method if you haven't set one up already, or confirm an existing card. As soon as your subscription processes, your storage increases right away or within a few minutes. If things don't update instantly, give it a little time and then continue using Drive, Gmail, and Photos as usual. Your new limit will be recognized automatically. When you upgrade, you're not just expanding Google Drive. The new storage total is shared across Google Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos, and it works seamlessly in the background across all Google apps. You can also share your plan with your family group up to 5 additional people, so everyone benefits from the same pool of storage without separate subscriptions. For context, the common options are straightforward. 15 gigabytes is the free default, 100 gigabytes is the basic entry-level plan, and 2 terabytes is a popular premium choice for heavier use. One important note before we wrap up. Upgrading does not stack on top of the free 15 gigabytes. It replaces it with a larger total. For example, if you choose 100 gigabytes, your account's total becomes 100 gigabytes, not 115. That's all there is to it. Head to one.google.com, pick the plan that fits, subscribe, and enjoy the extra space.